Becoming an Albertan is a study of identity and political socialization. It is under the major project called Common Ground Connecting Communities and Politics, coordinated by Dr. Jared Wesley. The Becoming Albertan project involves the youth's perception of the Albertan community and its place within it. We start with a simple activity. We ask students from grade 3 to grade 12 to draw an Albertan. We give them some prompts. The Albertan can be wearing something, holding something, standing next to something. And after they've drawn their characters, we ask students to give this Albertan a name and a little bit of a backstory, like how old are they, where were they born, what is their family like. Once the drawings and the background stories are collected, we quantitatively code these materials. We examine what is in that drawing. Is there an animal like a cow, a horse, or a beaver? What kind of clothes is this Albertan wearing? We assign a code of 1 if the characteristic we are observing is present and 0 if it's not present. The preliminary findings are that younger children have a broader view of what they think an Albertan is. They tend to draw celebrities, their parents, teachers, or even themselves. Therefore, they tend to view Alberta through a personal lens. However, the older the students get, they are likely to draw the stereotypical character of the Albertan culture: a rancher, farmer, oil and gas worker, and most importantly, a man. Few of them depict women, people of color, and indigenous people. More than asking children and adolescents what they think of when Albertan is, this study focuses on understanding how they comprehend the cultural representation of an Albertan. Why does the diversity in their drawing decrease? When do youth learn what it means to be an Albertan? When and why do these changes in perception occurs? Those are questions posed by the Becoming an Albertan project. The Becoming Albertan project does not want to wash out ranchers, farmers, and oil and gas workers from the Albertan community culture. It wants to open the path so women, people of color, and indigenous people can see themselves as part of this community. Specifically, it wants the diversity of youth, children, and adolescents to see themselves in the future of Alberta and engage in the community's activities.